How's it going, everyone? We're going to go over the word cougar. A cougar is a. This describes an older woman who really enjoys the romantic company of younger men. I want to say, this is a relatively new expression that we're using now. So, yes, it's a term that means it's an older woman that likes to date or have relationships with much younger men. So let's go ahead and start making some sentences here. Now, let's say I am pointing at a woman, and she's a very older, very attractive, older woman, and I could say she's a cougar. She's a cougar. So she may be an older, very attractive woman who likes to be with younger men. If I want to add emphasis to that statement, I can say she's one. Now, if I use one to add emphasis, then I need to add an adjective. So, she's one beautiful cougar. She's one good looking cougar. So just remember that if you do use one to add emphasis, it's going to be necessary to add an adjective after that. Now you can say she's a cougar or she's a beautiful cougar. That's fine. But using one, just be sure to add that adjective. Um, Now also you can be pointing at the woman from if you're away from her, then you can say that's a beautiful cougar. That's one gorgeous cougar. So yeah, there you go. Now we can also start a sentence with a possessive. So I can say, my girlfriend. If I have an older girlfriend, I can say my girlfriend's one good-looking cougar. My girlfriend's one good-looking cougar. Now let's say it's your wife. In that case, I can say, your wife's one gorgeous cougar. Your wife's a cougar. So, in that case, maybe you are young. You are very young, and she's much older than you. But she's very beautiful, so that's what I will say. Your wife's one gorgeous cougar. Um, Now let's say that you're dating an older woman. So I'm talking to you. You're dating an older woman. So I would say you are or you're dating a good-looking cougar. You're dating a hot cougar. You're dating one sexy cougar. So you've got a lot of variations in which you can use this word in an expression or sentence. So, a cougar is a very attractive older woman who typically enjoys the romantic company of much younger men. So, that is going to conclude this lesson, and thank you very much for following along.